Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach multiple items on email via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and some content such as a video, image, audio file, Word document, Excel file, or anything else that will be attached to the email and then sent to the recipient. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, go to the top right corner, locate Gmail, click on this, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we will do is go to Compose, select the recipient, which is admin@computersciencevideos.com. The subject will be multiple files. Let us now compose the email. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Full stop, new line. Please see the attached files, colon, image, video, Word document, audio file, kind regards. Let's now insert the signature. And before we were to send the email, we would then have to attach the files from the computer itself. We have the YouTube icon logo for Computer Science Videos, which equates to the image. Let's now locate a video, go to movies, go to videos, then go to video.mp4, click on open. That's now attaching to the email. Let's now select the Word document, go to documents, trial document .docx, click on this. So that's the document. We also need to select an audio file, attach files, music. Then we have audio.mp3, click on open. So we have now attached an image, a video, a Word document, and an audio file. We can now click on send. Message sent, view message, multiple files. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached files, image, video, Word document, audio file, kind regards, Computer Science Videos, and then we have the attached files to this email sent to admin@computersciencevideos.com. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.